go to heaven. Sabi nila, they all want to have and give it to those who are doing it. Totoo pala yung sabi. That when we say something that we have, they praises and blessing that will come to us. Totoo yung sabi.
Yeah.
Nangyari yan sa akin. Every time I say to God, then the following day there is something that praises that will come to me.
Yes.
Totoo pala yun. Until now, I am praying the Holy Rosary every night. I cannot sleep without praying that Holy Rosary. Yan ang pag-
Yun lang. Salam.